We are making this video for you guys to help in your studies in IVT and EVT lessons. So hope you appreciate it and give it a thumbs up. Hi guys, it's me, Viel Samantha Aguinaldo, and I'm here to discuss IVT or Intermediate Value Theorem. And my partner...
Hello everyone, my name is John Rimali Castro and I am here to teach you the extreme value theorem, and I will give you some examples after it.
So let's proceed to the tutorial. Look at this graph as we consider the values of m between f of a and f of b. Imagine moving the dotted line for m up and down between the dotted lines, here the dotted lines of f of a and f of b. Correspondingly, the dot p will move along the thickened curve, which is the red here, red part, between 2 points of a, f of a, and b to f of b. So let's find if f of x is equals to 2x minus 3 is continuous over the interval of 1 to 7 with an m of 4. So first you will get the f of a and the f of b, which is 1 will be the a and 7 will be the b. So f of a is equals to f of 1. Substitute in the equation 2 1x minus 3 equals 2 minus 3 is equals to negative 1. While f of b is equals to f of 7. 2 replace x by 7, then minus 3 is equals to 14 minus 3 is equals to 11. After getting those f of a and f of b, you will see m4 is between negative 1 and 11. So let us proceed to the next step rather. So you will get f of c, then replace x to c, 2c minus 3, then you will substitute f of c to 4 since m is also referred to f of c. So 4 is equals to 2c minus 3. Then transpose negative 3 to the other side, f to get the value of c. Plus 3 is equals to 2c. Then 7 is equals to 2c. Then get the value of c over 2 over 2. So c is 7 halves. We will see that 7 halves is between the interval of 1 to 7. So 7 halves is an element of the interval 1, 7. So that is the final answer. For our second example, f of x is equals to 3x minus 7 over 9, where m is 2 and interval of 0 to 3 halves. Seeing here, we cannot determine the intermediate value of this problem since according to the theorem, a function should be continuous over a closed interval. But looking at this interval, this is not closed. It should be a bracket, not a parenthesis. So IVT doesn't hold true. Another example, f of x is equals to x squared minus 4, where m is equals to 5 and an interval of -6, 5. So just like the first example, you will get f of a, which is -6. So f of -6, substitute to the equation, -6 squared minus 4 is equals to 36 minus 4 is equals to 32. Then you will get now the f of b, which is 5. So substitute f of 5 is equals to 5 squared minus 4. 25 minus 4 equals to 21. Since looking at m, 5 is not intermediate at 21, so you cannot proceed to the next step. So IVT doesn't hold true.
The extreme value theorem states that if f is continuous in a closed interval a, b, then f has both a minimum and a maximum value on the closed interval a, b. For this example, the maximum value of this graph is f is equals to a, and the minimum value is f is equals to c. Here are some examples on how to find the extrema of an equation. The first example is a linear equation. F of x is equals to x minus 5 on a closed interval 1 and 6. In this situation, we will just substitute the interval to the whole equation, which is 1 and 6. Then the result will be the maximum and the minimum value of the interval. The minimum value of this interval is -4 and the maximum value is +1. The next example is a quadratic equation. In this case, we will need to use the formula -b over 2a and substitute. The a and b will represent the equation x squared minus 10. All we need to do is follow the formula and substitute the corresponding given, which is 1 and -10, and the answer will be substitute to the whole equation to get the maximum value. To get the minimum value, we will just substitute the interval to the whole equation. The maximum value of this sample problem is 15 and the minimum value is 6. The last will be a rational function. In this function, we will just substitute the value of the interval to the whole equation to get the minimum and the maximum value. The minimum value of this problem is 1 over 4 and the maximum value is 1 over 2. So that's all. Hope you have learned something from our video, and adios!
Mathematics is not about numbers, computations, equations, nor algorithms. It's about understanding. Thank you and God bless.